Guys, welcome back to my channel. For day 4, I'm doing a non-makeup video. I'm showing you guys how I relax my hair. I do not relax my hair a lot. Maybe every 2 months I may relax my hair. So I'm just showing you guys how I relax my hair and the things that I do. I am not a professional. This is just what I do. I'm very comfortable with relaxing my own hair. So all you have to do, if you're not already subscribed, just click the red button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for all of these videos that I am posting in the next 2 weeks. And I'm just trying to be more disciplined on YouTube. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to all my new and old subbies. You guys rock. So don't laugh when you see the next clip because I look like a zombie. So I love you, ladies. Alright guys, so I'm here looking straight up like a thirsty ass zombie. Like today, the struggle is even more real than it has ever been. Oh my God. It seems like when I want to do something, like my life is turned upside down. Boy, you got me. To perm my hair. So I'm going to record me perming my hair. And it's going to be the video for week or for day 4. So I have to get creative with these videos because I don't really like putting makeup on my face every single day. Like, sorry, I don't. Sundays, I'm looking like this all day. But anyway, so I'm going to use Cream of Nature. Yay. Another brand relaxer that I like is Mazzani. Now, let me just give you a fun fact. I do not necessarily need a perm. I like a perm. In the summertime, I don't perm my hair at all. In the wintertime, I perm my hair. I used to didn't perm none of this here. And I only would perm the back and the side. So it could just have that silky, slick, smooth, everything. But I don't know, I'm perming everything. Whatever, I don't care. I'm perming my whole head. So when you perm your hair, they give you all the stuff in the box. This is how the box come. I already opened it to see, make sure all my stuff was all good. In the neighborhood, this is the perm. This is the, so wait a minute. This is the perm. This is the activator you pour inside of the perm. And this is the neutralizing shampoo and conditioner. They give you, this is like new. It says new. This is a moisturizing hair dress. If Cream of Nature want to like send me all their products, that'd be nice since I'm always fucking buying stuff anyway from them. And then they send you a oil and gloss shiner. I have their setting lotion. And I also have their leave-in conditioner. And I have their oil sheen. They tell you to get, like, when you perm your hair. I am not, don't perm your hair if you don't feel comfortable. I don't care. I feel comfortable perming my hair. I've been perming my hair since I started with my short hair. Like, when I first got it cut, I didn't perm my hair for years. But, I don't know. I got tired of my curl pattern, so I started to perm it. So I've been perming my hair ever since. So I'm taking this grease by Blue Magic, and I use this in my baby hair. So this is actually my daughter's grease. But I'm just going to put it all around my edges so I won't burn my skin. So what I did was, they come with gloves. They come like attached to the instructions. If you're going to perm your hair, read the instructions if you feel like that's something that you got to do. I've been perming my hair. I really don't have to read these instructions, but typically they would tell you to base your hair, part it in 4s, put it on the root. Don't put the perm on your the ends of your hair. Put it directly on your roots because that's what you're typically trying to get straightened. The perm looks like this, so it hasn't been touched. So I already opened it. It comes with a stick, like a wooden stick, and the applicator. You're going to pour all of this in here. And stir it. Go slow. so you won't get nothing like in your eyes, on your clothes, nowhere. So take your time, read the instructions, and perm your hair if that's something that you want to do. Otherwise, just go to somebody professional who knows how to relax hair. I'm perming mine at my house because I already know how to do it. I'm going to keep on saying it because it be stupid people in the world that be saying dumb stuff on people's channels, and I don't understand none of that. So they always got to give a freaking disclaimer. And I hate when you always got to give a disclaimer when it's your channel and you can do whatever you want to do. But nevertheless, okay, this is how it looks so far. It says on the instructions to, if you have fine hair, leave it on for 8 minutes. My dog barking. Medium hair, 8 minutes. Coarse hair, 8. Oh no, the application should take 8 minutes for all types of hair. And the smoothing time for fine hair is 5 to 7 minutes, which is what I typically do. Medium hair, 8 to 12. Coarse hair, 13 to 17 minutes. And I guess the max amount of time for my type of hair, which is fine hair, 15 minutes. The max for medium hair is 20 minutes. The max for coarse hair is 25. So I'm leaving it on there for about another 3.5 minutes, I think. And then I'm going to wash it out with the neutralizing shampoo, and I'm going to condition it. So I'll be back. I'm going to use a Door, and this is Ruby Red. I'm going to rinse my hair. Once I rinse this conditioner out, I'm using the one that came with it. And then I also use a lot of body. And the only reason why I use this stuff is because it smells like so good. So I mix these conditioners together. And then I use the neutralizing shampoo first, and then I use the lot of body with coconut and shea oil shampoo. And I'm about to rinse all this out. Alright ladies, so we're finally at the end. So I relaxed my hair. I used a lot of Cream of Nature products, dang near all. I did end up using this that came in a pack, the moisturizing hair dress. I use this all over my head. It's kind of like a greasy type of form. I didn't use the hair gloss because I don't like to use that until I'm getting ready to curl my hair. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you ladies enjoyed the video. I hope, I don't know, you clicked on here for some reason or another. So thanks for the support, thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, and yeah, I'll see you ladies in the next video, which will be tomorrow. And I don't know what that video will be just yet, but I'll see you ladies in that video. Bye.